A very good morning to all of you. Please confirm if I'm audible. Okay. So yesterday we have completed till this question. Okay. So in this question, we understood one thing, that just by selling price, even if profit and loss percent is same, we cannot say it is no profit, no loss. So the normal behavior will be that you will directly say by saying the percentage loss of 20%, gain of 20%, but actually it is not, because selling price is same. We don't know the cost price. Until we don't know the cost price, we cannot compare the percentages. We cannot say they both are equal. We cannot say loss is equal to profit. We cannot say that. Now let's take the next question. Okay, so again we have two products. One is Samsung Duo, one is Galaxy. And overall we have purchased it for 40,000 overall. So it is not cost of Samsung Duo, it is not cost of Galaxy, it is overall cost. Okay, so let me write this. One product is Samsung Duo and one is Galaxy. Okay, Samsung Duo I am writing as CP1, SP1. And Galaxy I'm writing as CP2 and SP2. All right. What percentages are given, that will decide how I will approach the question. So carefully see, percentage is in decimals. So there is a profit of 33.33%. On this, there is a loss. There is a loss of 20%. All right. Carefully answer. Suppose I am saying, since percentages are given, so suppose I take 100. So what will be the selling price? What will you say? How much will you say selling price? $133. 133.33. You will say, sir, profit is 33.33. So selling price will be 133.33. Would you like such values in your calculation? Would you like? Carefully answer. 133.33. Would you like such values in the calculation? No. I've told you this, whenever there is a integer, no issues, take 100. But whenever there is decimal, thinking process will be easy, but calculation will become difficult. Because 100 plus decimal will be decimal. That is the problem. So we have to now take care of the decimal. So carefully see, please. I'm saying don't take 100. Whenever percentage is given in terms of decimals, think fraction value. So please answer, this percentage is what fraction? What do you think? What fraction it is? What fraction is this? 33.33. 1/3. Don't say 100 by 3. Okay, don't say that. It is 1/3. Think it this way. 33.33 per. Per means divide. Cent means 100. Solving this, you will get 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 3. It means 1 by 3. Okay. So profit is 1/3. That is the meaning. So cost price, I don't know. But profit is 1/3 of the cost price. 1/3 of cost price. So carefully answer. 1/3 of cost price. I want to take a value. 1/3 of 100. Will it be integer? Answer please. 1/3 of 100. Will it be integer? Because 1/3 is profit. So will it be integer? No. Okay. So tell me a number so that I calculate 1/3 of that, I will get integer. So tell me, what should I take? 1/3 should be integer. What should I take? 90. Okay. Tell me small, something small, not that much big. 9. Okay. A little bit more small. 6. A little bit more small. 3. 3 is the smallest. So I'm taking 3. So cost price is 3. As per the percentage, profit is 1/3. Profit is 1/3. 1/3 of 3 is the profit. That means 1 is the profit. So what is the selling price? Answer please. 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is the selling price. Okay, I will come back to this. Similarly, apply the similar, although this is not decimal, but still apply the similar approach. 20% means 20 by 100. So in terms of fraction, it means 1/5. Okay. So I'm taking, because it is 1/5, that's why I'm taking the cost price as 5 rupees. So 1/5 of this value will be lost. That is the meaning. So 1/5 of 5 is your loss. That means 1 rupee is loss. So how much selling price? How much? 4. 5 minus 1. Don't say 6. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 4 is the selling price. Okay. My dear, right now these are temporary values. Temporary. Okay. Please carefully see the question. In the question, have they given something which is same for Duo, which is same for Galaxy? Please answer. Okay, let me start this way. Have they given the cost price of Samsung Duo? Have they given? Yes, no. Samsung Duo, only Duo. No. Have they given the selling price of this model? No. Have they given the profit on this model? That profit is 1,000 rupees, something like that? No. So nothing is given individually for this. Okay. Let's come to this. Cost price given? No. Selling price given? No. Loss given? No. So my dear, nothing is given individually. Overall is given, but I'm saying individually. Okay. So now individually, nothing is given for Duo, nothing is given for Galaxy. So now I will try to see something. If something is same for both the models. So carefully answer, is something same for both the models? Is it? Cost price, did they say cost price is same? Are they same? Cost price is same? No. My dear, don't see this. These are temporary values. Don't say selling price equals, sir. Don't say that. These are temporary values. See the question. When I'm asking you, is something constant? See the question. So please answer. Is selling price same? No. Is profit and loss same? Profit and loss. Is it same? Yes. No loss or gain overall. What is the meaning of this? How will you get no loss or gain overall? How will you get? No loss or gain. That means profit on one item is equal to loss on another item. That is the meaning of this. So profit equal to loss. Is profit equal to loss with these temporary values? Yes or not? Please answer carefully. Is it equal? Think it this way right now, my dear. This is a ratio. That's why I'm saying these are temporary values. When I say temporary values, that means it is actually ratio. So right now there is a problem. The problem is I don't know any value for this. I don't know any value for this. So I'm trying to see, is there something which is constant? If you recall the two ratio problems, I used to see, is there something which is same? Is there something which is constant? So sometimes we used to see that difference is constant. Sometimes we used to see, okay, difference of income, difference of expenditure is constant. So the same thing we are trying to see here, that is something constant there and there. So the question is telling, yes, profit loss is the same. But is it same? Please carefully answer. In the temporary values, is it same? Yes, no. Is the condition followed? Is it overall no profit, no loss situation? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. So overall, it is no profit, no loss situation. Okay, good for us. All right, condition is followed. Now answer, please. With these values, what is the total cost price? Total. How much is total? With these values, how much? 8 rupees. Okay. 8 rupees. 5 plus 3, 8 rupees right now. How much do I want? I right now have 8 rupees. How much do I want? How much do I want? Read the question. 40,000. What should I multiply so that I will get 40,000? 8 into how much will give you 40,000? Answer that. 5,000. So my dear, everywhere multiply with 5,000. And you will get all the values. All right. So your question is done. Now you can check everything. My dear, profit is 5,000, loss is 5,000. So overall, there is no profit, no loss. If you see now 15,000, 25,000. So overall cost price will come out as 40,000. Since I have multiplied by the same number, percentage will not be affected. Here also, I have multiplied all the values with 5,000, so percentage will not be affected. So everything works. So that means now I can answer. The cost price of Samsung Duo. Cost price of Samsung Duo is A option, 15,000. So understood or not? Please confirm this. Yes, if you have a drive, you can leave it. Vanishra. Okay, so things have to start with this. Percentage profit, percentage loss given. The percentage will decide how I will take the temporary values. The percentage will decide how I will take the temporary values. So percentage means 1 by 3. This percentage means 1/5. So the meaning is 1/3 of the cost price is profit. 1/5 of the profit is loss. Okay. So I have to take a number so that 1/3 of the number gives you integer. So why I'm taking 3? Why not 5? Because if I take 5, 1/3 of 5 is 5 by 3. I don't want 5 by 3. I want integer. So take a multiple of 3 so that 1/3 is easy. And why 3 only? Because smallest. So 1/3 of 3 we have taken. Okay. So 3 plus the profit will be selling price. Now these are temporary. After this, we will take here also. I will take the cost price as 5 so that 1/5 comes out as loss. 1/5 of 5 is 1. So 1 is the loss. If 1 rupee is the loss, selling price will be 4 rupees. All right. Now, when I see the question, I saw nothing is given for this model. No value is given for this model. And these are temporary values. So I have to check one thing. There should be something which is same. If there is something same, then it will be easy for us. Okay, see please. Only see the yellow color. Okay, yellow color. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4. With these yellow color, we have checked one thing, is profit equal to loss, because they have given. If profit is equal to loss, then I will start with, okay, what is the total cost price, because it is given. So total cost price, CP1 plus CP2. My cost price one value is 3. CP2, my value is 5. So I am getting 8. But I don't want 8. I want 40,000. Because that is given. So 40,000 I want. But right now I am getting 8. So that means I will multiply by 5,000 everywhere so that I get 40,000. Once I multiply every value by 5,000, I will get my answer. Understood? 40,000 is total cost price, CP1 plus CP2. Okay, 2 items. What is the cost of each item? That is not given. Cost of both the items is given. Which numbers are same, Chirag? Which numbers are same, Chirag? Which one you are saying? Selim, SP1, SP2 you are saying? Chirag, are you saying for SP1, SP2? Or profit loss? My dear, until profit loss is equal, I will not proceed. Okay. If suppose by chance I'm saying, suppose you have assumed the value, profit comes out to be 2, loss comes out to be 1. So overall, the values are not satisfying overall situation of no profit, no loss. So profit should be equal to loss. If suppose this is 2, this is 1. So first I will multiply these set of value with 2 first, because profit should be equal to loss. So first I will multiply with 2, then I will do the rest. I have not taken 4. 4, it came out. Okay. I took 3, only 3. After that, everything came out. I took 5, only 5. After that, everything came out. I didn't take anything else. Okay. And it is just coincidence. Don't think I have done some magic. Okay. It came out same by chance. Hmm. All right. Please carefully read the next question. So sometimes, my dear, this is the simplest way actually. See, please. If I'm writing so much, don't think you also have to write this much in the exam. If I don't write this, and directly if I write this, if I don't write this, How much is the solution? I will not write this. Now, how much is the solution? Nothing, right? So this is how much you have to write. But since I have to give you the notes from my side, that's why I write so much. Okay. But everyone in the industry will do it this way. Okay. Everyone will do it this way. This is 1/3. So take 3. 1/3 is profit. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. 20%, 1/5. So take 5. 1/5 is loss. So 5 minus 1, 4. After that, profit loss is same. Okay. Total cost price given. So multiply by 5,000. You will get your answer. Hardly 40-second question it is. A time taking question you have not even seen. If I say there is no profit, no loss, if I remove this, it is a time taking question. Okay. So this is the simplest way, and don't think the how much content I am writing, the same content you also have to write in the exam. No, you have to do very roughly in the exam, and you can don't write neatly also in the exam. Okay. So don't copy how I'm writing. Okay, don't copy that. Try to write this much or more lesser than this also. Okay. All right. Next question. All right. 3 discounts. Maybe right now you have experience also. Sometimes we get successive discount. So suppose we are shopping on Amazon application. There is a default discount on an item. Suppose discount is MRP is 20,000, but the price which we will have to pay, it is showing as 15,000. Now, once we add it to the card and proceed to the payment, maybe there is card discount also over that 15,000. So that is, my dear, successive discount. Successive means one after the other. Okay. So first tell me please, discount is given on cost price. Am I right? Discount is given on cost price. Am I right? MRP. Cost price something else, mark price something else. Cost price is not the discussion here. MRP. All right. There is a certain MRP. On this MRP, the first discount will be given 10%. Okay, 10%. Okay. I will get a new value after the discount. On this new value, one more discount will be given. That is 20%. All right. After this 20%, again, I will calculate the discount. I will remove the discount. I will get a new value. Again, on this value, one more discount will be given. That discount coupon is now 10%. So MRP, first discount, you will get one new value. On this new value, one more discount. On this new value, one more discount. This is final what you will have to pay. At this price, the product will be sold, but leave it. Without MRP, I cannot solve this question. So tell me please, what MRP should I take? How much should I take? 100 rupees. Okay. So let's take it as 100 rupees because percentage makes calculation easy with 100. Okay. So 100. How much discount on 100? If it is 10%, how much should I take? 10 rupees. Okay. 10%, 10 rupees. So 90 rupees after reducing the discount value. Okay. Now, will you say 20%, 20 rupees? Will you say that? Carefully answer. No. Now, this discount is not MRP. This discount is not on MRP. This discount is on 90 rupees. That's why it is called successive. The first discount on first value, second discount, second value, third discount, third value. That's why successive. So 20%. My dear, 10% will be 9 rupees. So 20% will be 2 into 9. That is 18 rupees. So 90 minus 18, that is 72 rupees. All right, next one, 10%. So 10% don't say sir 10 rupees. 10% don't say sir 9 rupees. 10% now you will get on 72 rupees. How much discount? 7.2. Okay, 7.2 rupees. Now don't subtract it. Okay. Just carefully answer. Overall discount, how much? I mean total discount. Overall discount. Three discounts are there. One, two, three. I'm saying overall, how much? How much? 30.2. 30.2. 10, 18, 28, 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7, 35, 35.2. So overall discount is 35.2 rupees. Okay. Now don't think three discounts are given. Think only one discount is given. Only one. Carefully answer one thing. If you get three discounts or if you get only one discount, the situation will be same or not? Carefully answer. Three discount making a total of 35.2 or a single discount of 35.2. Is it same situation? Yes, because overall discount is same. So don't think, sir, three discount is more than one discount. No. Here the overall discount is 35.2. Here also I have taken the overall discount 35.2. So this and this are same only. So now answer please. On 100 rupees, you have got a discount of 35.2 rupees overall. So how much percent have you got? Can I say the same value in percentage? 35.2%. Please carefully answer. Can I say or not? Yes. So this is your answer. So three discounts are equal to 35.2 net discount. So 35.2 is the net discount. So carefully see please. Start with 100. Calculations will be simple. Sometimes it might be difficult also. So in that case, we have to little bit do something. Okay. See please. There are formulas for this also, but I don't prefer formulas. Next. Okay, please read the next question. A merchant is marking. Please remember, try to catch the words. So marking is 75% above the cost price. So 75% above the cost price, we are marking the goods. Marking means mark the price. Okay. So 75% above the cost price, we are marking. So answer please. If I am saying cost price 100, so 75% above 100 we are marking. So what is the marked price we are putting? 175. Okay. Now, marked price, discount is given on marked price, right? Not cost price. So on 175 rupees, I will give a discount. So see please. Always write the three values in this order, always. First write cost price, selling price, marked price. Cost price we are taking as 100 rupees. As per the given relation, we will say 75% higher we are marking. So we are marking 75 rupees extra. This will give you 175 rupees. Okay. Now, what is the maximum percentage amount? Actually, it should be discount. Maximum percentage discount that he can offer so that he ends up selling at no profit, no loss. Okay, carefully answer something. At what price should I sell so that I make no profit, no loss? Please answer that. At what price should I sell? At what price? Same as the cost price. Because if it is higher, it is profit. If it is lower, it is loss. So if it is equal, then no profit, no loss. So you should sell at 100 rupees. So is this point clear? Please confirm this. First thing. Now, very carefully think. It is now no profit, no loss situation. Okay. They are asking about discount. So how much discount we have given? Please answer. MRP 175 sold for 100 rupees. How much discount given? 75 rupees. Will you say 75%? Please carefully answer. Will you say 75%? Yes, no? Yes. Will you say yes? If you are saying yes, I will say is marked price equal to 100? Equal to 100. Is it equal to 100? If it is, okay, 75, correct. If marked price is not 100, don't say the same number in percentage. 75, 75% wrong, completely wrong. So my dear, we have to calculate percentage, yes, but percentage will be some other number, not 75. So percentage discount, we will have to calculate by the formula discount by MRP into 100. So discount by MRP, discount is 75. MRP is 175 into 100. All right. 25 into 3, 7. Okay, 300 by 7. 7, 4, 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. 7 to 14. So 42 point something I will get. So D option correct. Just answer one more thing. I'm calculating this 300 by 7. I am calculating. First I will write 4. Then I will write 2. Do I need to calculate the rest of the part? Is it required? See the options, please. Because options are there, that's why I'm asking this question. I'm calculating this, I get 4. Okay, 4, 4. So I need to calculate next. I get 2. Okay, this is not 2, so this is wrong. This is right. So please try to save your time here as well. Once you are calculating something, if it is easy, calculate complete. But keep on seeing the option as well. That wherever the option matches, that is your right option. Okay. All right. So I'm leaving this as 42 point dash. Okay. Now, next. Please try this question. Start, please. Lakshmi Prasad, they will not ask you any question in rupees when percentages only are given. In this question also, no rupee value is given. Not the cost price, not selling price, not marked price. Nothing is given. Anisa, we are not calculating remainder now. Okay, so you can take now decimals in the quotient. When we calculate remainder, then we don't take decimals in the quotient. Okay, now you can take. We are not calculating remainder now. Okay. A shop dealer marks his goods 25% above cost price. Okay, 1% is given above cost price. That means cost price is the base. And then while selling, gives a discount of 12% on MRP. Okay, so discount percent, that means marked price is the base. So my dear, 2% is two different base values. For 1%, base value is cost price. For 1%, the base value is marked price. So carefully see what I am telling. Cost price, selling price, and marked price. Cost price is the base. Let's take it as 100. Marked price is the base. Let's take it as 100. If I do this, please carefully answer. If I do this, is it making sense? Cost price, let's think it as manufacturing price. There is a manufacturing price of 100, and on that product, we are putting a price tag of 100 rupees only. Does it make sense practically? Yes, no? No. So yes, there are two base values. Both of them can we take as 100. Will it make sense? If we take both of them as 100 rupees, will it make sense? No. So any one, we have to take it as 100. Okay, any one. Now, we don't know actually whether taking this as 100 will be a good calculation friendly approach, or whether taking this as 100 will be the calculation friendly approach. It depends on the question. Okay, so I cannot say maybe taking this as 100 will be simple or maybe difficult. Maybe taking this as 100 will be simple or maybe difficult. So I don't know actually. Just by looking at the question, I cannot tell that whether this will be easy or taking this as 100 will be easy. I cannot tell. Okay. So what I will do is, I will not think too much. Any one value, I will take it as 100. Any one. So which one do you want? Please answer. Which one? Cost price. Okay, cost price. So cost price 100 rupees. As per the first line, a dealer is marking the goods 25% above cost price. So 25% above cost price. That means how much? How much? 125. Okay. 25% above cost price. That means plus 25 rupees extra. So MRP we are putting as 125 rupees. On this we are giving a discount. Okay. On this we are giving a discount. So we are giving a discount of how much? Discount of 12%. So 12% of 125 we are giving as discount. All right. Now try to calculate this as simply as possible. Please answer how much is this? Will you say 12? Will you say 12%? 12 rupees, sir. No. My dear, MRP is not 100. So don't say 12%, 12 rupees. It is something else. How much? 15 rupees. Okay. There are various ways. Think please. One way is this. 12% of 125. So think it as 100 plus 25. So 12% of 100 is 12 rupees and 12% of 25. How much? 25 into 12 will be 300 and 300%, that will be 3 rupees. Okay, 25 into 12, 300. 300%, that means 3 rupees. One way is this. Okay. The other way, if you see, let me show it this way. Don't tell me 10, don't tell me 12%. Tell me 10%. 10% how much? And 1% how much? Don't tell me 12%. Tell me 10% and 1%. 12.5. Okay, correct. And 1.25. Okay. You're saying, sir, put a decimal after one place, you will get 10%. Put a decimal after two place, you will get 1%. Okay. If you put decimal there, that is 1%. If you put decimal at there, it is 1%. Okay, simple. All right. This is 10%. This is 1%. So 2% will be twice. So overall, you will get 15. This is the second way. And third way, obviously, is 12 divided by 100 into 125. Third way is this. Okay. Now it depends on you. In what calculation you are comfortable. Some will prefer this, some will prefer this, some will prefer the previous one. Okay. So 15 rupees comes as your discount. All right. Discount should be subtracted or added. Answer, please. Discount must be subtracted or added. Subtracted. Once you subtract the discount, you will pay the remaining amount, which is called as selling price. So 125 minus 15 will give you 110. Okay, 110. All right. Now compare these two. What will you say? Profit or loss? Profit or loss? Profit. Okay. Selling price greater. So profit. How much? You will say, sir, 110 minus 100 rupees. The difference of cost price, selling price will be profit. So, sir, 10 rupees. I'm saying don't tell me 10 rupees. Tell me how much percent. Don't tell me in rupees. So, how much percent? Is 10% correct? Can I say 10%? 10 rupees, 10%. Is it right? Is it right? Why no? My dear, cost price is 100. Profit has the base value cost price. So cost price is 100. Base value 100. So yes, you can say. Now don't say, sir, marked price is not 100. My dear, marked price has no relation with profit. Marked price is not the base of profit. So that's why I'm saying cost price is base value 100. So yes, you can say 10 rupees, 10%. Understood or not? Please confirm this carefully. Hmm. All right. Next question. Here we see. Again, there is a clash of two percentages. One is discount percent. So MRP is the base value. One is profit percent. So cost price is the base value. And we cannot take both of them as 100. It does not make sense, right? Okay. So any one we will have to take as 100. But which one will make the calculation easy? I don't know. Maybe cost price 100 will make the calculation easy. Maybe marked price 100 will make the calculation easy. So when you don't know, in that case, it's something like luck. So either take this as 100 or take this as 100 and don't think for 10-15 seconds, just think this or this. Okay. So either take this as 100 or take this as 100, take 1 second and decide and proceed. Okay. So please start. Try the question. 30%. All right. 30% is correct, I think. Okay. What do you want me to take as 100? Please answer. Because anyways, we don't know. What will give you easy calculation? We don't know. So what? Cost price or marked price? Okay, marked price. Okay, let's take marked price as 100 rupees. If marked price is 100 rupees, in that case, I will get a discount of 10%. So how much discount? How much discount you will say? 10%, 10 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees MRP, that's fine. So 10%, so 10 rupees you can say. All right, so selling price will come out as 90 rupees. Okay, selling price 90 rupees. All right, now carefully see once. Cost price, I don't know. Okay, there is a profit. Okay, there is a profit of 17%. So will you say 17 rupees profit? Will you say that? Will you say that? 17%, 17 rupees profit. Will you say? No, cost price is not 100. Profit percent, cost price is the base and base is not 100. I don't know what is cost price. So don't say that it is wrong. All right. So I know profit percent, but I don't know profit. Okay. So now carefully answer. Let's come to this space. Profit is 17%. All right. Whenever cost price is not given, in that case, take it separately. Cost price by selling price will be equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent value. This is what I have told you in the previous questions also. So cost price by selling price will come out as 100 by 117. Yes or not? Carefully answer first. I don't know cost price. I know selling price. But with selling price, I cannot tell what is profit in rupees. So when you are confused, when the percentage seems useless because selling price cannot give you the profit, it will not. 17% of 90 is not profit. 17% of cost price is profit. So when you are confused, when you are not getting anything, create a relation using the percentage. And then put whatever value is given, please put it there. So what I'm getting is cost price, selling price 90 rupees, 100 by 117. Now let's simplify this. 9 into 10, 9 into 13. Okay, so this will come out as cost price comes out as 1000 by 13. 1000 by 13. That is your cost price. Did you like the value? What came out? Carefully answer. Did you like the value which came out? Because I was not knowing this, that this value will come out. Okay, I cannot predict. Once I calculate, then only I will realize, okay, it's not good value. Okay, my duty was to take one value 100. I took it as a luck, 100 rupees. And cost price comes out to be a very non-friendly value. Okay, so now, until now, anything doubtful, please confirm this first. Until now. Okay, so now cost price 1000 by 13 rupees. Okay, selling price 90 rupees, good value. Marked price 100 rupees, good value. But this one value is what I'm not liking. What they are asking? They are asking what percent above the cost price you are marking. Can you tell easily the difference of these two? Can you tell easily? For example, if this is 100, this is 120. If I say what is the difference, you will say sir 20. If suppose this is 100, this is 150, you will say sir difference is 50. Can you tell the difference easily in just 1 second? No. Okay. But anyways, it's not like we cannot do with this value. It's not like that. Actually, we have to calculate markup. Markup actually means MRP minus cost price. This is what we have to calculate in percentage. Okay. So this comes out to be 100 minus 1000 by 13. Okay. So 1300 minus 1000 will be 300 by 13. This is what it will come out. After this, I will have to apply the formula, which is percentage markup equal to markup divided by cost price into 100. Markup is 300 by 13. Cost price is 1000 by 13 into 100. Okay, this is what I will get. Solving this, I will get 13%, 13, 13 will cancel, 30% I will get as my answer. Okay, but still, first calculate the difference of these two, that is your markup. Then apply the percentage markup formula, you will get the percentage markup. But I am saying, suppose you want to modify this value, you are not liking it. So you want to modify the values before you calculate the final answer. So how to modify the values? Please carefully see. All right. So these are the three values which we have. I want to modify the values so that everything becomes integer and simplified. Okay. All right. If I multiply by 13 everywhere, and cancel 1 0, is the calculation simplified? Please answer that. If I multiply by 13 everywhere, because I want to remove the fractions. So that's why I'm doing multiplication. I'm modifying the values. I've told you this modification in percentage is allowed. So if I multiply like this, is it fine? Yes. Okay. What happens with this is this will become 13, 13 will cancel. So cost price becomes 100. 13,9,117. So selling price becomes 117. And 13 into 10, 130 becomes marked price. So directly the difference becomes 30. And 30 means 30%. Okay. So this way you can modify the values also. Okay, so two ways are there. I'm not saying 1000 by 13 is very difficult. I'm not saying that, but yes, it might be confusing for some students. So for that case, you can modify the values, simplify the values so that it becomes simple values. But modification, how you have to do is either multiply or cancel out something or do both. So anything which is doubtful so far in this chapter, please confirm that. 117 as 90%. Yes, sir. I told you this. If you take marked price 100, calculation came out to be difficult because that came out to be 1000 by 30. If we had taken cost price 100, things would have been simple. Okay. But we cannot know before solving the question what is better. We cannot tell. Okay. So 117 and 117 is 90% of marked price, not cost price. Anjali, 90% of marked price. All right. Carefully see once. The way we write when profit percent is given, the way we write cost price by selling price, can you write the same thing or similar, something similar for discount percent? I'm saying whenever discount is given, discount is related with selling price and marked price. So can you create this relation if I give you a percentage? Suppose I'm giving you the percentage, let's say 12%. There is a 12% discount. So what equation will you create? Please answer. Yes, from selling price, we can calculate MRP, but discount percent must be there. Okay, discount percent must be there. All right. So what relation, what value will this be? In terms of fractions. Identify the base. The base is MRP. So in front of base, write 100. If 100 is your MRP, at what price the product will be sold after the discount? At what price the product will be sold? That value you will write in front of selling price. Actually, I'm not saying mark the price 100. I'm just saying in front of mark the price, write 100. This is what I'm saying. So if 100 rupees mark the price, 12 rupees discount. So selling price 100 minus 12. So finally you will get 88 by 100. Now after this, if MRP is given, put the MRP, calculate selling price. If in the question selling price is given, put the selling price, calculate MRP. Okay, this is what we can do. Okay, 100 minus, don't say X, 100 minus D. Okay, D means discount. All right. One more, let's ask you a question. Sometimes you might see this question. One kg sugar is there. Okay. Now, I mean, sugar is there. One customer comes to the shop and I am the shopkeeper, suppose. Okay. Now, what I'm saying, in front of the shop, I have put one banner that I am selling the sugar at no profit, no loss. This is what I have written as a banner. So that's why seeing the banner, okay, I'm selling at no profit, so people are coming to my shop. But actually, what I'm doing is I'm using a false weight. Do you understand what is a false weight? Please answer. Do you understand what is a false weight? Yes, no? False weight. Extra weight. Actually, the meaning is this. Suppose I have a weight. This is some iron cube. Okay. On this 1 kg is written. Okay. But actually, it is not 1 kg. Suppose it is 950 grams, 990 grams. So that will be called as false weight. Marking you have done 1 kg, but it is actually 950 or 990. So a little bit false we have written the marking on the weight. So false weight. And one thing will be whatever that balance is there now. Okay. So on that balance, bottom side they will put something, some weight they will put extra. So that extra weight and your sugar both will be counted. So suppose sugar is 950 grams. This is 50 grams. So there it will show 1 kg. But actually sugar is only 950 grams. So some extra weight they will put there, which you will not be able to see. So that is also, I will not say false weight, but yes, it is kind of a cheating. So some cheating based questions will be there. And how they will say it? Okay. 1 kg sugar, somebody is coming and saying that please give me 1 kg of sugar. Okay, I'm doing cheating. I'm giving 990 grams sugar. This is the reality. Okay, actually I'm giving 990 sugar and this is what I am. What should I say? Okay, this is reality. How much sugar I'm giving? 990 grams. This is what I am telling to the customer. All right. So I'm telling the customer that I'm giving you 1 kg sugar and actually I'm giving 990 grams sugar. Okay. Now on the shop, there is a banner that I am selling at no profit, no loss. Okay. Now with this, I have put a banner. I'm selling at no profit, no loss. But are you thinking or not that 10 grams of sugar, that 10 gram is my profit? Yes or not? Carefully answer. Because I'm doing cheating. The board is just a marketing gimmick, right? I'm doing cheating. That cheating, from that cheating, I'm earning the profit. Okay. To the customer, there is no profit. But from the cheating, I'm doing it. So how to solve such questions? Please carefully see. Right cost price, right selling price. Okay. And don't think kg, think grams. 1 kg is 1000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams. Okay, always think first without any cheating. What is happening without any cheating? Okay, so carefully answer. Without any cheating, I'm assuming cost price of 1 gram is 1 rupees for simplicity. So without cheating, I'm saying cost price of 1 gram, 1 rupees, cost price of 1000 gram, how much rupees? Please answer. 1000 grams. Just for easiness. 1 gram, 1 rupees, 1000 grams, that means 1 kg, 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees. This we are thinking without cheating. Suppose there is no cheating. So this is the, as per the assumption of without cheating. So 1000 rupees. As per the board that we are selling at no profit, no loss, can I say 1000 rupees here also? Carefully answer. Can I say? If there is no cheating and there is no profit, no loss, that means this situation. Yes, carefully observe. Anything which is doubtful. Okay. So this is the no cheating situation. No cheating and no profit, no loss situation. But there is cheating. Where you will do the cheating? You are a businessman, so you can do cheating with the cost price. So what you are doing is, you are not giving 1,000 grams, you are giving 990 grams. Customer is thinking 1,000, but you are giving 990 grams. This is the cheating. So first thing, no cheating, then write the values, then take the cheating values. If you are selling, if you are taking 990 grams, how much cost price should I actually take? How much should I actually take? 990. Or let's show it this way. I should not take 1,000 because I'm doing cheating. I should take 990. So that means there is a profit. There is a profit of 10 rupees. And that means there is a percentage profit of 10 by 990 into 100. Okay, so this we will have to solve. All right, now don't solve it. Actually, I've taken values from myself. Okay, so some cheating questions might be there. This is how you will have to solve it. First, write the values if there is no cheating, no profit, no loss situation. Then take the cheating into account. Understood or not? Please confirm this. Okay, these are simple questions once you understand how to do it. First, take no cheating, then take the cheating. Okay. When you take the cheating, only cost price will change. Because customer is thinking we are getting 1 kg. Customer is thinking I'm taking 1 kg. But the shopkeeper knows that he is not getting 1 kg. So don't change this. Okay, he will pay 1,000. All right. Hmm. Okay, so my dear, this completes your profit, loss, and discount. Next, we are going to start with simple interest. One extremely simple scheme, but not a good scheme. Calculation wise simple, logically also simple, and questions also will be very simple. Compound will be little bit difficult, but simple interest is very simple to understand, simple to calculate also. But before we go to simple interest, we have to understand principal, then rate of interest, all right. Okay, so first thing is principal. My dear, when we discuss simple interest or compound interest, we have to think exchange of money. So one person will give the money to other person. The person who gives the money is called as lender. Lend means giving. The person who takes the money or borrows money is called as borrower. Okay. I've written the values, although might be not be used, but you should know. Okay. Lender means a person who gives the money, and borrower who borrows money. Okay. Whatever it is, the amount, if suppose it is a lender, so the amount lender gives is the principal. If suppose you are a borrower, so amount you are borrowing or you are taking a loan, so amount you are taking as loan will be the principal. So starting value, where the exchange start, If exchange is 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh is principal. If exchange is 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh principal. So two ways I can say. It depends on lender or borrower. But I can say money given or taken or money deposited. If I say in terms of bank, I can say deposited or borrowed, or I can say money given or taken. Okay, that is principal. All right. Now, when I give the money, it's not like it's a kind of welfare scheme. Okay, it's not like that. So if it is welfare scheme, I will say if I give you 1 lakh, you return 1 lakh. If it is not welfare scheme, in that case, I will say if I give you 1 lakh, I will take some commission. That commission we call it as interest. So based on the value I am giving or taking, I will have to pay or give. I will either give or I will get some interest, which is commission. Because it is my money. Okay. It is my money. So if I am giving it to you, you are using it for your benefit or for your entertainment. So I will charge a commission on that. So that commission, we call it as interest in professional terms. Okay. Now, this commission will be a certain percentage of principal every year. I repeat, this commission is not, it's not like 100 rupees every day. No, it will be a certain percentage of principal every year. That percentage is called as rate of interest. Okay, if it is 10%, that means 10% per annum. Per annum means every year. So 10% rate of interest, that means 10% every year I will charge. I will charge as interest. Okay. Now, why every year? Because otherwise people will take the money and they will never return. They will say, I will return after 200 years, right? So time also is important. Okay, so time is time, years or months, but we have to always write in years in the formula. So please remember this. X month equal to X by 12 years. Okay, please remember this. So these are the 4 terms which we have. Now, my dear, how this rate of interest is something else. How rate of interest will decide the interest, or how this percentage will be used to calculate the interest. There are different schemes. So 10% in simple interest and 10% in compound interest. Interest will be different in simple and compound because the way 10% will be calculated is different. In simple interest, we will calculate always every year a certain percentage of principal. What is principal? The starting value where everything started. Okay. Now, every year, whether it is 50 years, after 50 years also, I will calculate 10% of principal or the percentage which has been decided. But principal every year. Okay, principal every year. Now, you are not maybe understanding this. Please understand. Suppose your grandfather deposited 10,000 rupees in 1990. 1990, I'm saying. 1990. So that time bank was giving simple interest, suppose. Okay. So 1990, your grandfather deposited 10,000 rupees for your future, not for your father's, for your future. A small amount, big amount. 1990, 10,000 rupees, small or big? Extremely big, right? You can purchase a plot. All right. So you can, at that time, I'm saying you can purchase a very big piece of land with this amount. So it was a very big amount. But currently, how much? Is it big currently? No. Now you will say, sir, we cannot even pay our KodNest fees, right? So now you will say that. So now it's not that big. Even if you find 10,000, you will not be that much happy. That much small it is right now. All right. So now it is very small. That time it was very big. Okay. So what I'm saying is, carefully see, understand the problem. The bank said to your grandfather, we will give you 10%. 10%, a very good percentage. In terms of fixed deposit, a very good percentage. So bank said, we will give you 10% of this value every year. Okay, 10% of this value, which is your principal every year. All right, this was 1990. 2024, 10,000 rupees. Your grandfather deposited. You said, sir, this is big value. But in 2004, you are saying, sir, small value. Okay, now see please the problem. The bank is still giving you 10%. The grandfather is still getting 10%. That time he was getting 10% of 10,000. Now also he is getting 10% of 1,000. Are you seeing the problem? Please carefully answer. Carefully see. Are you seeing the problem? 10% of 10,000 that time and 10% of 10,000 this year also, current year also. Are you seeing the problem? Seeing it? Yes, no? My dear, 10% of 10,000 in 1990, it will come out as 1,000. It will also come out as 1,000. So that year, 1,000 is very big. Now, current year also, I'm getting 1,000, very small interest. So, in 1990, a value which was very big, now I'm getting the same value, but it's very small. So, that is the problem. So why it happens is because the scheme says that we will give you 10% of the value you deposited. You deposited. Only on that value we will give. Okay, that is the problem. So, my dear, 10,000 rupees will remain 10,000. This is your principal. The principal will not change. You cannot deposit two values. Either you will deposit 10,000 or 20,000. So 10,000 you deposited, bank is saying, okay, if you are giving us this value, we will always, lifetime, we will give you 10%. But only on this. That is the problem. So, always on principle. Always. Now you might be wondering, sir, what else they will give, sir? Sir, we deposited this value. So on this value they are giving, sir, what is the problem? Okay, carefully understand, please. What I'm saying is, 1990, principal is 10,000. All right, 10% of 10,000, 1,000 rupees. Now just carefully answer once. In 1990, this is your interest. Once this interest is calculated and the year 1991 starts, your account balance will be how much? Your account balance will be how much? Will it remain 10,000? Will it not change? Will it not change? 11,000. Yes, it will change. Account balance will always change, right? Because interest will keep on adding. So account balance is now 11,000. Now then, Next year, 12,000. Next year, 13,000. It will keep on changing. 10, 10,000, 11,000, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that, it will keep on changing. Okay. If I take 2020, that means 30 years. Okay. The account balance is now, let's take 2021. Account balance is now 1990 to, my dear, 1990 complete, or let's take it this way. Let me take it 20 only. Okay. So 2020 start. Before that, there are 30 years have taken. 1990 to 2020, 30 years. So 30,000 interest, 1,000 year, 1,000 rupees interest every year. So 10,000 rupees principal and plus 30,000 rupees interest. So now account balance is 40,000 rupees. But what is the interest I'm getting? 10% of 10,000. Now also I will get 10% of 10,000. Is 10,000 my account balance? Please answer that. Is it my account balance? No. I started with 10,000 account balance. So they are giving you 10% of the starting account balance. That is the problem. They are not giving you for 1991, they are not giving you 10% of account balance. No, they are giving you on the starting balance. So this is the problem with simple interest. They always give you 10% of the starting amount which you deposited. And with compound interest, the problem is resolved because they take the current account balance. On that, they give you the 10%. So that will change every year. So account balance will be updated every year. Okay. And on the updated balance at the start of the current year, you will get 10% for the next year. Okay. So this way, compound interest is always a better scheme as compared to simple interest. Okay. Now, you might be already familiar with the formula. The formula of simple interest goes like this. All right, a very simple formula which you all know. So principal, rate and time divided by 100. Okay. All right. It is a very simple formula in which values are related by product. Principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Whenever things are related by product, you can say that simple interest is proportional to principal, proportional to rate, and proportional to time. Okay, so simple interest is proportional to principal, proportional to rate, proportional to time. That means more principal, more interest, more rate of interest, more time, more interest. This is what is the meaning. But proportionality, how it will be used, I will tell you later. I will not apply this way. Simple interest 1 by simple interest 2 equals to P1 by P2. I will not apply the proportionality this way. Although proportionality means this, but we will not apply this way. Okay. So how the proportionality will be applied to simplify the questions, we will see. Okay. But yes, the formula is this. One more thing. Just answer something. There are two persons. Okay, two persons. One person deposited 10,000 rupees. Second one also deposited 10,000 rupees. One person is getting 10% interest. He has deposited for 2 years. Second one is getting 20%. He has deposited for 1 year. Carefully observe. I've taken the same deposit value. Okay. Percentage rate of interest is twice. Time is half. What do you think? Will they get the same interest? Please answer that. Will they get the same interest? Yes or not? Yes, this is proportionality. My dear, one thing is becoming double and other one becoming half. If one thing doubles, other becomes half. So overall, things are neutralized. One thing becomes double, other things become half. So overall, things will be balanced out. Yes, if only one thing double, then yes, okay. Values will be different. Interest will be different. If these two values, one value is becoming twice, one is becoming half, in that case, it will give you the same interest. If you see how, let me just write it with the formula. Principal is 10,000. Rate of interest is 10 times 2 divided by 100. Here it is 10,000. 20 time is 1 divided by 100. Now compare please. 10,000, 10,000, 100, 100. Compare this and compare this. Is it same or not? Don't calculate. Just compare. This same, this same. Compare the rest. 10 into 2, 20 into 1 is same. So that's why things will remain same. Interest will remain same. So one person is getting twice the interest, but time is half. So interest will be same. But there are other ways also. This is just one idea I have given you, that proportionality, how we can think. Okay. But yes, this is one good thing in this. We will not see the proportionality in compound interest, because there every year the account balance will change. On the updated balance, 10% will be calculated, or sorry, 10% is interest, I'm assuming always. So on the updated balance, you will get 10%, because the balance keep on updating. That's why proportionality there does not apply. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll continue with this simple interest. Okay. So again, telling you how this proportionality will be applied, I will tell you. Don't apply this in compound interest. Please remember that also. Otherwise, you will apply there also and you will say, sir, why this is wrong? Okay. So please remember that. The rest of the questions, the questions will start with this tomorrow. Thank you.